let's get ready for college. Well, I haven't said this in a decade now. Hello, welcome to a day in my life as a guest lecturer at my alma mater, NIFT Mumbai. Pretty much on the other side of the table. Today was supposed to be so wholesome, and in so many ways. For starters, I started my day early in the morning, finishing the presentation that was due the same day. Full Niftian energy. Last minute PPTs, RR jam. अब जब PPT बन गई, I decided to just wait करो. First, cut to when I'm dressed as a Lal Pari because NIFT is pyar. Just kidding. फटाफट से लिफ्ट सेल्फी ले लेते हैं because there's no time and I'm running late and I also have to go over my PPT at least 5 times before we enter college. Throughout the journey to Kharghar, I have been just doing this. But oh my goodness, look at the beautiful mountains. We can finally see them. Every time I would see the Kharghar hills, I would know that we are arriving soon. And well, after I reached the campus, which is as stunning as it has always been, I decided to not take the usual route of directly going to the FD department, but rather using the old girls hostel path through the cafeteria. Oh my god, this used to be our resource center. And right here where these beautiful Wally painting wall is, I've had multiple secret lunches reading a book. The nostalgia of being back. This canteen is where I would eat the spiciest green chili Wally Maggie. Khatarnak mirchi, which would bring tears to my eyes, but extreme joy to my heart. आज भी समझ नहीं आता है ये रीजन क्या था इतनी मिर्ची वाली मैगी खाने का. Well, once I was done walking around the campus, trust me, I'm going to show you a little bit later as well. It's time now to go to the department finally. I'm being welcomed home by Shweta ma'am. How sweet. Oh, these kids were the best, by the way. I had the most amazing 3 hours with the FD department kids, and before I knew it, it was already 12:45. Lunch usually starts at 12 at NIFT, so if you're a Designer Shala student, you would know that my lectures always extend. Guilty, but honestly, this batch was super adorbs. They stood up when I walked in. How cute is that? Now, another very big aspect and very exciting aspect of today was that once the session finally ended, I finally met all my Designer Shala bachas. Ritik, Garvita, Peony, Harkirat, Pari, Tarushi, Diya, Hasti, and everyone else. Oh my god, my heart was so full. We chilled and had Maggie and iced tea at the Nescafe Point. Yes, the same Nescafe Point that is so iconic and had started actually right when we were in college. And we even filmed the reel together. The BTS is hilarious because we got caught in the middle by Shripati sir, my all-time favorite faculty. Bas, fir kya? I went and sat at my second favorite place, the foyer area, and suddenly there were people coming in and saying hi here as well. Honestly, you guys were everywhere and I loved how warm and beautiful you were. Every smile counted. Everyone coming to me and giving me a hug or smiling or waving or telling me that you got into NIFT watching my videos made my heart swell in pride. I was just so overwhelmed. There was a point in time when I almost felt like I'm going to cry, but then I controlled my tears, put on my chappals back again and started walking out before anybody saw me crying. To be very honest, this channel has given me a lot more than it has given you. Sach mein. Aaj to bhai sachi wala dil garden ho gaya. Until next time, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And if you'd want me to film more vlogs, let me know in the comments below.